మిత్రులారా, బంధువులారా, వెల్కమ్, స్వాగతము, వనకము to South Asia Maps, your education channel. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy, J. Tirupati Reddy. At South Asia Maps, your presenter tries to share his passion and 4.5 decades of studentship and Indology about Indic-specific studies and human ecology. Mitrulara, today's our point of discussion topic is the India Villages and Towns series. In this part 12, we will be talking about Thorapalli village, Gramamu, in the Hosur area of KrishnaGiri district, northwestern part of current Tamil Nadu province. Why we have selected this village is, it is the Gramamu Rajarshi Chakravarti Rajagopalachari called CR Vari Swasthalamu Vari Gramamu. That means Rajarshi Rajagopalachari CR was born in Thorapalli village in the British Madras Presidency, at that time Hosur Taluk in the Baramahal district, later undivided Salem District, current KrishnaGiri district, of old Baramahal district, old Salem district of Tamil Nadu province. Excuse me. As usual, this presentation tells something about the prominent towns and villages which I select as a landmark to discuss about the history, geography, culture, and in the context of broader human ecology. We'll be exploring this further today. Rajarshi Chakravarti Rajagopalachari's village Thorapalli. And this is the broader our India Villages and Towns series of human ecology and villages, human habitats. We are exploring part 12. Thorapalli village, Thorapalli Agahaaram, Hosur Taluk, current KrishnaGiri district in the northwestern part of Tamil Nadu province of historic Baramahal district, undivided old Salem district. Mitrulara, all these presentations, excuse me for my allergies, I have posted for your briefing, intellectual enjoyment, and South Asia Maps. Reddy, there are 700 plus presentations as of 2024 December, all put in round about 70 or so playlists. You can pick and choose the topic of your interest. South Asia Maps Reddy, Intellectual Kshatriya's channel and YouTube channel. Yeah, this has to be read in the historical context or brief context we'll talk about in average village area of South India. We have taken there part 1 in the beginning, the important provinces, states, area, square kilometers, villages, and divided this numerator, denominator this. Tamil Nadu province gets around about 7.4 square kilometers in village area. There are 18,000 or so villages. And remember, I have included urban area, forest area. That means these figures are little inflated. But to get a broader understanding, you should keep that in mind. The current village, Thorapalli, is around about 19 square kilometers. Remember, it is in the Baramahal hilly area, Upland area, and Baramahal hilly area and Upland area. So it is an elevated area. You can easily understand that is one of the physiographic aspect. Village is bigger. And let me talk about this Thorapalli village. So the entire concept of, excuse me, the village, you have to look in the context. Village, 1 square kilometer has 100 hectares to 50 acres. That means the village as a unit, entity, as visible acreage of the village, adjoining village can be Invisible acreage using the fossil fuel, coal, oil, fertilizers, tractors, the cars, vehicles is a phantom acreage. So this has to be kept in mind the overall concept of 1 square kilometer. I have talked about, you look in the demography playlist. Thorapalli village area is 19 square kilometers. Multiply with 100, that is 1960 hectares. Multiply with 2.5, you get the acres. Population of 2011 is around about 9,000 people or so. Elevation, remember this in the upland area called Balaghat region. The lowland area is the Payanghat region. These are the Persian words or Parsi words. I explored the Payanghat, Balaghat region. You can look it in the appropriate playlist or type it, you will get it with my name. Elevation is 816 meters, mean level, pin code. Nearby villages are urban centers, of course, Hosur Taluk, Denkanikota town, the hilly area Thali, Rayakotai railway station, KrishnaGiri district headquarters, of course, the former resident of the Mysore Peninsula state was the Bangalore Plateau, Bangalore city. I have explored the physiographic landmarks here. I will go over the landmarks so that you will have a bigger font here so that in case you miss it. Thorapalli village, Agahaaram, Hosur district, KrishnaGiri, Hosur Taluk, KrishnaGiri district, Tamil Nadu, CR, Rajaji, Gopalachari, Rajaji, 1878, born, 1972, died. More than 90 years he survived. The village area around about 19 square kilometers. Important area surrounding this village, adjoining area Balaghat Upland, Payanghat region lowlands and Melagiri hilly region, Gutirayan peaks, 1390 meters. Chinnar river flows in this area and also Ponnaiyar river. And Chinnar river is the tributary of Cauvery Mata, sacred Cauvery Mata. Ponnaiyar river falls into Gangasagar Ocean, is next to the village. Thali Hill Station, spelled differently, Stanley Reservoir and the Cauvery Mata, and Hogganekali Falls and Mekadatu Falls, and all those regions and historic prominent physiographic regions. 19 square kilometers is the area. That means, how does it compare? Here I have given figures in thousand, 65,000 square kilometers. Sri Lanka double it, Tamil Nadu province 130, and Utkal Kalinga is little more, 155. Kerala province 38,000 square kilometers across the Radcliffe line, 0.8 million hectares. Broad idea, ignoring the disputed areas. East side of the Radcliffe line, 3.2 million hectares, million square kilometers, that is the truncated bars. Dogra Raja territory 222 and Nepal uh, country and Bhutan country, you get a broader area. 19 kilometers square should be the village of Thorapalli. You can put in broader context with that. If you miss some of these points, Mitranam, you need not worry. I will cover in other maps so that you will get a broader idea. We discussed about that. And this is the Tamil Nadu province, historic Baramahal district, 1 square kilometers to 50 acres or so. Chakravarti Sriman RajaGopalaChari here. This we see one Chakravarti Sriman RajaGopalaChari. This is the Palar River. This is the Sindhu Sagar Ocean, Ganga Sagar Ocean, sorry, Pondicherry Union Territory, and this is the Ponnaiyar River. The river goes across, finally falls near Kadaluru, Nelikuppam, Panruti in Bahor region of Pondicherry also, Cauvery Mata region, Melagiri Mountains here, and this is the Thorapalli. I put it a star here. The Hosur is maybe 5-10 kilometers on the west side. This is the Balaghat region, Gutirayan Hills, around about 1300 meters or so. Chinnar River flows, joins before Stanley Reservoir. This is the Topur mountain ranges, Shervaroy mountains, Chiteri mountains, Kalrayan. Shervaroy hosts the Yerkudu, the hill station, around about 1600 meters also. south of Aturu Gap, Kuli Hills and Pachi Hills, that is the Namakkal region, and Pachi Hills Historic Tiruchu District, Ariyalur now is the Perambalur area. So that part is covered here. And we look about these areas in other maps more clearly. And so this is the one you have to remember, the Bangalore, and Hosur is the border town next to Bangalore. And when you see the Hosur, maybe 5 kilometers, or you should get Agahaaram, Thorapalli Agahaaram, and the Ponnaiyar River. Yeah, you can see the Thorapalli Agahaaram. Agahaaram is like a historical donation to the priestly sections, and thus Agahaarams. So Thorapalli Agahaaram there, that is the native village of Rajaji. His father used to be the village chief. The mountains here, Ponnaiyar River goes there. From Hosur to KrishnaGiri, that is now the district headquarters, and that village resides. That this is enough for this, and we'll see other different perspective. So again, you have to understand the concept of the Balaghat region, Upland region, and Payanghat region. You can see Carnatic region are essentially the coastal Tamil Nadu, Tanjavur region, that is the Carnatic region, not Karnataka province. So Payanghat region, you see the Upland region, the Balaghat region. So our purpose is to see the Bangalore around about 980 meters above sea level. That means the Hosur and this village near Hosur should be around about the same. I will show you in the other map, should be around about 820 meters above sea level or so. So this is the Balaghat region, and you can see the, yeah, this is the village. So this is the mountains and this the village. I hope they have expanded here. Yeah, the village Agahaaram, Thorapalli village. This they might not shown here. It's not there, but I will show you in the other map. So remember the Ponnaiyar River, and west side of these mountains is that village on the banks of the Ponnaiyar River, and Sholagiri and KrishnaGiri, KrishnaGiri reservoir, and Satanur reservoir should be somewhere. We'll see in the other maps more clearly. So Bangalore, then we say Hosur. You can see the Thorapalli here, Sholagiri, Thorapalli here, Krishnagiri reservoir, and north of that village on the Ponnaiyar River, what the reservoir, I forgot the name, I will read here. This is the Kelavampalli reservoir on the Ponnaiyar River. Ponnaiyar River comes via Bangalore region. That is the near the east side of the white fields also, the agglomeration of the Bangalore and Sholagiri, and you can see the Krishnagiri reservoir dam. This is the Satnuru reservoir dam. The Ponnaiyar Mata, Ponnaiyar River, we are talking about Tirukoiluru, that goes to on the banks on the Vilupuram town and Panruthi town, Bahauru, Puducherry, Kadaluru, is the Gangasagar ocean. So you got the village Satanuru Dam, Krishnagiri Dam, Bengaluru, Hosuru, the village there. And you can see the same, you can see clearly the Balaghat region here, that the upland region, these are the Persian words. So near the Hosur, Thorapalli. I will put the pointer there, see how much it comes, 821. Remember the Bangalore is 98, even 1 kilometers above sea level. Yeswantpura railway stations are so same like Tirumala Tirupati. Excuse me. And that is 821, so that is sufficient, the Ponnaiyar River. So Ponnaiyar River and Krishnagiri reservoir here on the Ponnaiyar River, and Satnuru should be there. The Javadis and Elagiris, a Satnuru Dam, and so on. The Hogenakalla Dam and Meghalatu here, and Topuru Reservoir, the forest area, and Shervaroy Chitte. These are the Shervaroy Chitteris and Kalrayans, Pachi and Kolimalai. Javadi Hills, east of the railway track from Madras to Malabar, historic railway track here. This is the Bangalore Kolar Plateau, Balaghat region. Javadis and Elagiris. So you have to again remember the Landmarks, this is the Bangalore, this is the gold fields. So Javadis and Elagiris. So Satanuru Reservoir. So this is the Kadaluru region and the Ganga Saga. This is the KrishnaGiri Reservoir. So this should be the KrishnaGiri Reservoir. Yeah, near the Bangalore, this is the Hosur. So near this somewhere here. And we can see that the historic Baramahal district, the Salem district, we are looking about this particular part next to Anekal region of Bangalore, Kolar district here, Madras presidency there. And this is the Thorapalli, how we got it, you go to Thorapalli Agahaaram, before that go to the Hosur Taluk, go to KrishnaGiri district, goes to Tamil Nadu province, go to the village info in. So this is the Thorapalli Agahaaram. So zoom out. So you have Ponnaiyar river, you can see the Ponnaiyar river and Thorapalli village, RajaGopalaChari's village. This is the Perandapalli forest area on the east, and you should get the Rajaji's memorial house. They have put it here, Rajaji's memorial house. Rajesh Chakravarti Rajagopalachari's Thorapalli village. He passed away just 3 years or so before the emergency declaration, 1972. That is also almost 3 years before the demise of popular Tamil Nadu leader, Mother M. Kamaraj Nadarji, Hosur, the town and headquarters. Outside the Anekal and all those areas of the Bangalore, the conglomeration and the area. Denkanikotta and Thali should be there. And this is the, I have put it in the Mukhyamantruల Javita, Chief Ministers, Premiers, RajaGopalaChari, 1878. And first premiership at that time, they were called premiers. There are many provinces, Punjab province, Bengal province, and central province, Berar, and so on. They are called premiers. So the head of the central government is prime minister. So government resigned after the World War declared, and so we will not get into that. I talked somewhere else. Chakravarti Sriman Rajagopalachari and Balyamu and Atani Swastalamu Tamil Nadu Salem Jilla. You see, they put it Salem here. That means Salem is the bigger district, Baramahal district. Thorapalli Agahaaram. See, why it called Thorapalli or Thorapalli, way it is pronounced in Tamil language, Telugu language translations. So, పారిశ్రామిక పట్టణమైన హోసూరు దగ్గరలో ఉంటుంది. తండ్రి చక్రవర్తి అయ్యంగారు తోరపల్లి మునసబు. They put Thorapalli, they put Thorapalli, and that's telling what they're telling is from Thorapalli. That's all. We are concerned here, and we are not much concerned. Anything. Yeah, he was the 2 times the premier, later chief minister of Madras presidency, C. Rajagopalachari, Rajarsi, then Prakasham Pantulu, and partition independence. Again, he was more than 2 years. He was the chief minister from 1952 to 1954. At that time, Telugu-speaking districts, excuse me, all those were carved out into Andhra state, succeeded by Madana Kamaraj Nadar. And later Bhaktavasalam and all those. So we are not here again English C. Rajagopalachari, and his daughter Lakshmi was married to Mahatma Gandhi's son Devadas Gandhi. That should be just showing Devadas Gandhi, Thorapalli village. Yeah, Devadas Gandhi. In essence, relation Devadas Gandhi is the his son-in-law. Mahatma Gandhi is the co-in-law. Current popular prominent Macaulite intellectuals, leaders, politicians, or prominent public figures. Rajmohan Gandhi, grandson, Ramchandra Gandhi here, and Gopala Krishna Gandhi. These are all Macaulite intellectuals. Very unfortunate, very great scholar. He wrote very great books, Ramayana Mahabharata, published by, I think I forgot the name. And even if you read that book, you will see how much knowledge he has, in addition to being just a politician. His son, C. Narasimhan, was also a prominent leader, Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. And we'll see some of the Prominent pictures of Chakravarti Rajagopalachari with co-in-law Gandhi and Rajagopalachari in the old age. And Rajagopalachari was also known for CR formula, that is the discussion with Mumini leader, conquistadors representative Jinnah and partition. His concern was the peaceful transfer of the territories and people that leaders like Nehru and Gandhi lacked. He has that vision at that time that was very unpopular. It's called CR formula. Later, Gandhi and Nehru proved to be totally a big failures, unable to understand after a lot of years of their life in the public and partition and clinching of the people who stood for them. Radcliffe Line Award, all those later is the another popular DMK leader, MG Ramachandran here. So we talked about that. Yeah, that's all about the Thorapalli village Gramam near Hosur of historic Baramahal district, that is the historic Salem district, current KrishnaGiri district. And those who are interested to know more about the historic Baramahal district, I have totally a big series on them, Tamil Nadu, Madras Presidency, Salem Jilla, and you can look at them. I have posted nearly 8 or so diverse presentation of Rajaji's home district, Salem Baramahal, in the much depth. So that can be go hand in hand what we are talking today. I have taken certain parts from that and added here, added little bit more. So this is about the historic Baramal district. You can look at it. What do we discuss today is about the Rajaji's village in the Balaghat region, the Baramahal region, and the historic Salem district. Next presentation will talk about Bhogasamudram. Bhogasamudram is the village. It is called Bhogasamudram or Buga village near Tellamitapalli near Tadipatri. That's the village of very great personality KV Reddy garu. Kadiri Venkat Reddy garu is one of the doyen of Telugu cinema industry. He is known for Maya Bazaru, considered to be one of the great masterpiece of Telugu cinema. We'll talk about his ancestral village, Buga village, in the next presentation. Mitranam, if you think these presentations, even though they're little lengthy, are bringing you a in-depth of knowledge of understanding Bharat Mata and Indic-centric studies, you can post your comments or any suggestions, or even you can subscribe the channel, bring it to the notice of your friends. This is your presenter J. Tirupati Reddy, Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Maps. Thank you. ధన్యవాదాలు మిత్రులారా.